flying around in that sled for 120 odd years, and I think all that cold wind blowing in my ears is making me deaf. So I gotta get out there. I'm gonna come to the front of the stage, and I want to hear you scream. 1, 2, 3! Oh, that's more like it. Woo! Now I got the spirit. I gave you the spirit. Now. Woo! Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Good evening, Minnedosa! My name is Mike Lavecchio. On behalf of CP and 16,000 of our employees across North America, welcome to Holiday Train 2009. We're about midway through the Holiday Train tour at this point. In the last 11 years, we have raised $4 million and 2 million pounds of food for people across North America. And that's thanks to all of you who give very generously every time we're through Minnedosa. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we've got an amazing show for you tonight. Please remember to give generously to the food banks. The trucks are out behind, as Esther said. But without further ado, put your hands together for the odds!
Calculated guessing, never bomb. this summer. It was awesome. Was anybody there?
It was a way different temperature, though.
It was a little bit different, yeah.
Yeah.
But tonight the rock star is this train. Isn't it cool?
And you guys for coming and donating to your local food bank. That is pretty fantastic.
Yes. Okay, they're the rock star then. Is that what you're saying?
They are the rock star. Harmonica and grew at least